Model, 67-plate Ford Transit Custom 340L2 long wheelbase, front-wheel drive 2.0 Tdci 130Ps high roof van, Euro 6 ULEZ. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114,075. MOT, 9 July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 130Ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Dual mass flywheel rattling bad, it will need replacing, easy job if you know what you're doing. First to see will buy. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or